Yes, good morning everyone, and we haven't seen you in a long time, and we're excited because we are about 75% done, I think, with construction. Doc Joseph is still here with me.
Yes, hello again.
Yes. So, ipapakita na natin yung basic finishes. So, our team ngayon on the finishing, we have our civil engineer, si Jeric Medina. He is the one purchasing all of the approved materials. Tapos si Charlito, he's our foreman on the site ngayon. I mean, he's the overseer. Derek also. So, ito ang main team natin, the main heads of this project.
And of course,
And of
the
course,
legendary.
Siyempre, definitely. Ito naman si Sir Ariel, we will not be able to do anything without him. Siya talaga ang father of this project.
My family.
Yes, of course. Yeah, Sir Jerome and si Mami.
We're still here doing our best to bring this project to a successful conclusion. I got Jeric with me here taking care of the material requirements for this building. If you notice, we're well into the finishing work, and given the good weather, we hope to accomplish as much as we can within the next 2 to 3 months. With our team here, that should be a fairly easy thing to do, okay?
Yan, as of today, nagfi-finishing stage na tayo. Meron na tayong mga tiles for the bathrooms. Then we also ordered the door. Need na lang i-install. By next week, pwede na tayong makapag-mock up ng some windows natin. This one naman, yung pinaka magiging hallway papunta sa taas. Here is room ni Sir Jerome. Ready to install na din po ang mga tiles dyan. Then this one is the conference room.
This will also be a therapy room.
Therapy room.
So there will be one machine here and the other one is there.
One machine.
So instead of the initial plan of
Plan,
conference, so we're making it into two.
Two.
Kasi nag-aagawan yung dalawang company. Which is which? So sabi ko, I give you one and the first one, the more innovative machine goes to here, and the other one goes to the other.
Did you see already 90% na ang ceiling natin? Let's go up. So you see, stairs natin, ready to install na din yung mga wood planks. Yan, nandiyan na yung mga wood planks natin. The sliding door for the second floor. So this is the entire second floor. This one will become the dining area. This one become the kitchen area. The mother's bedroom. Ready to install na rin yung mga tiles natin. Ready na din to install ang mga lighting. Some finishing works na lang sa ceiling. This one's the room of Doc Joseph. This one. And this one is the walk-in closet. Then the bathroom.
Ready na for time installation?
Yes sir, yes sir.
Ganda na ng ceiling natin.
Bali nakapag waterproofing na tayo dyan. By next week, we can install the tiles and then water closet. Okay, let's go to third floor. Guys. Third floor, medyo mahirap ang pumanik. Pero ito na rin. Malaki na rin ang progress natin dito sa third floor. Ito yung mga fabrication natin para sa stairs. Handrails ng mga stairs natin. Then yung mga drain pipes natin, nakaabang na din siya dyan. Etong third floor, open area lang siya. And then, dito magkakaroon tayo ng parang living, and then sa other side. This one going to the roof deck. Yan. Ito na roof deck natin. Ito kasi ang inuna natin dahil kailangan natin ma-flood test. Na-flood test na natin siya. So, wala na naman tayong naging problema sa mga leaks. Ready to install na rin ang ating mga handles dyan sa perimeter. Yan, and then floor tiles na lang dito, kulang. Ito yung CR dito sa roof deck. Done na rin, floor tiles na lang din ang kulang.
We are now in the 3rd floor. Actually, this is my favorite floor because ito yung floor na we can be creative. Purpose namin dito is to house the collections of Doc Joseph. Whether they are sculpture, whether they are paintings, ganon. Ito talaga yung kaya industrial tayo, high ceiling. Tapos, conceal din ang mga doors natin because ang pagkaalam ko yung ikikip natin dito ay medyo mas mataas kaysa sa mas mahal kaysa sa building itself. The look that we're trying to achieve is the San Francisco Museum of Modern Art, or the SOMA, which is very popular for me during my time when I was in university in the Bay Area. So para bang meron akong idea because nakita ko yung mga sobrang gandang mga modern art and how they were showcased.
But tell us, Buddy, regarding this one,
Okay.
the exposure.
Okay.
It becomes an art
Yes.
facade
Okay,
also.
this as you can see, this is just the raw look of the pipes. Ang industrial finish means that we will keep this but you will not be able to see it because it will be painted in black or actually dark, very, very, very dark gray dito sa ceiling. Tapos we will put our track lights on them para maganda yung pag-beam ng mga dito natin ilalagay yung mga track lights para maa-adjust natin because this 3rd floor hindi permanent ang mga paintings at ang mga sculpture. So depending kung ano yung i-mount natin, kaya natin i-adjust yung illumination ng ilaw para i-showcase yung actual artwork. Yun.
So the colors will be
Yung gusto mo.
darker.
Yeah. For the walls, we already have the approved color. Okay? And the ceiling na lang has to be darker than the wall.
Monochromatic.
Yes. But of the same color, very much different shade. What we will be doing is maybe the walls will be about a good 4 to 5 shades lighter of the same color. And then
So when this is all colored, it will look like
a gallery.
A
Really,
gallery.
a gallery.
Will you be putting something here? Or this is like this?
No.
We will make this like aspen. We'll make it
Like wood, like a beautiful wood finish.
Okay.
like in ecology. Yes, sir.
Ito. These are we just make this. See, we only do this by brush.
So this one,
Yeah.
this one will become like this.
Something like that. But not with the silver, not with the silver light, because this was a design requirement for ecology. Pero ganyan. This is just the raw look.
Are you covering that one?
Yes, sir.
Kasi
Yeah, we still
when
have-
the aircon is diba?
Yeah, we still have tiles on top of this.
Kaya that's the clearance for the tiles.
So we'll probably have 3 mm gap between the floor and the door. So it can slide efficiently.
Okay, we're going to be turning you over to the men on the ground, yung actual production team. So, andito si Charlito Cagat and then si Derek Sampiano. Sila ang in charge dito sa lahat ng mga nangyayari dito. So, ang una kong tanong kay Charlito muna. Charlito, meron magwa 1 month ka na dito. Ano
Yes,
yung
sir.
mga experiences mo dito sa Binyan working with yung mga kasama mo?
Okay naman, kunting pakikisama lang, abaan mo lang yung pasensya mo. So, ganun lang. Sa katagalan, nag-work team na kami.
Parang pamilya
parang
na rin
pamilya
kayo.
na rin. Opo.
Okay. So, wala ka naman na-encounter na any real problem?
Wala naman sir. Lahat naman mababait sila. Mahuli mo lang yung nila, yung ugali. Yun, tuloy-tuloy na po ang samahan ng isang team.
So, Charlito, para sa'yo, ilang linggo pa tayo dito, more or less? Ang projected mo lang?
siguro tatakbo pa tayo ng to 2.5 months.
Dito naman po sir sa ginagawa po namin na ano na to, okay naman po yung lahat na trabaho po, wala po problema. Basta may tuloy-tuloy lang po yung supply sa amin materials, tuloy-tuloy din po yung trabaho namin. Kami na kahit sa kanila ni Kuya Charlito, kami po yung nagpapatupad ng kung saan sila ma-assign, mga pintor namin kung saan unahin nila, yung saan priority. Mga mason namin, kung walang kailangan na trabaho sa mason, nakapitero sila. Tapos yung ano lang, mga tao namin, pagkatapos ng trabaho, linis. Tapos pagka kinabukasan, pasok ulit kinabukasan. Sa ngayon, puro finishing kami sir, skim coat, pintura, tapos yun lang naman na, wala na kaming gaanong trabaho di tulad dati na naghuhukay pa kami, Ngayon puro finishing na lang, matapos na to. Mga 2 buwan na lang o 2 buwan kalahati, makapasok na sila.